Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now I am at Chowman Garia. This restaurant is located near Hindustan Mode, and this dish you can see the name of this dish is Jambo Prawn in pepper chili. And as I am daily visitor of this restaurant, so they have offered me to try a new dish. I will try this dish and I will let you know how this taste is. You can see this is well decorated and I believe it will be a tasty product. So let's see. Just average. First of all, the portion of salt is very less. Cannot give the proper taste in this. Let's check if I can put minimal level of salt over there. Now it's good. There is less amount of salt. Coating is very nominal, so we can consider it as a good dish. Usually I take every prawn dish in king size prawn, but this time first time I'm trying for jumbo prawn. They have also offered me lobster, but I didn't accept that, so it's better to go for jumbo prawn. Just less number of salt, just less amount of salt during the test. Otherwise, this dish is really good. If you put salt manually, then it's really fine. Taken this dish in chili pepper salt. You have seen a guy, he is the manager of this place. I have quite good relation with him. And he always helped me to get lot of type of discount I can avail or as online. I have booked this table by Dineout, and I also like to suggest you to book your table in every restaurant by Dineout where it's available, the offer. And also make the payment by Dineout. You can get a large number of discount over there. So again that dish come in my table after remake, and yes, this manager is quite cooperative with me, and he have offered me to remake in this dish, and the chef put in few amount of salt over there. It tastes good right now. It tastes really good. You can also try this dish. I don't know it's available in other Chowman or not. But if you can visit Chowman Garia near Hindustan, then you can try this dish. Don't want you to believe it. Spicy sauce. If you like spicy things, then you can use spicy sauce. There's the Szechuan sauce. I will use it over here. And I believe it will taste good because the quality of Szechuan sauce is really good over here. What other restaurants can't maintain. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take
take it or leave it. Oh, baby, you were always on my mind. I've been thinking that we should be together. Oh, baby, you were always.
This one is one of my favorite drinks, fresh lime soda. In which restaurants alcohols are not allowed, I always used to take this one.
Washed up, don't want you to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it.
I'm also a regular visitor of one of the restaurant name called Kolkata Bistro. Once there I have taken back with 3 dishes of prawn. It means 6 pieces in each dish, and that dish was really delicious, and I have tried 3 set of dish. This means total 80 number of prawn I have taken together at a time. So this dish was really good. I really satisfied with it. Thank you.